Quick question, you're in a store, you see these two mugs, they do the exact same thing, but you find yourself reaching for this one even though it costs a little more. Why? But what about this? You open a food delivery app, scroll for 10 minutes through hundreds of restaurants, and end up ordering from the same place you always do. Why do we keep buying that one brand or find ourselves stuck in the same routines day after day? You might think it's just a habit or you just like what you like, but the truth is a little deeper. It's not just you, it's a hidden psychology at play inside all of our brains. Our minds use secret shortcuts to make thousands of decisions every day without us even noticing. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain. We'll explore 3 of these powerful mental shortcuts that secretly guide your life. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a price tag or a restaurant menu the same way again. Alright, let's start with shopping. Have you ever walked into a store, seen a jacket for $1,000 and thought, wow, that is way too expensive? Then right next to it, you see another really nice jacket for $500. Suddenly your brain goes, $500. That's not so bad. It's half the price. You just experienced our first mental shortcut. It's called the anchoring effect. Think of it like an anchor on a ship. That first price, $1,000, becomes the anchor in your mind. Every other price is now compared to that anchor. The $500 jacket doesn't seem like $500 anymore. It seems like a deal. Stores use this everywhere. Look at sale signs. $100 is the anchor. Your brain isn't just focused on paying $60, it's focused on the idea of saving $40. That feeling of getting a bargain is often more powerful than the price itself. It even happens in restaurants. Have you noticed how menus often put a super expensive item right at the top? That's not always because they want to sell it. That $45 steak is an anchor. When you see that first, the $33 salmon right below it seems much more reasonable. They subtly push you towards the dish they want you to buy. So the anchor is all about the first piece of information. It sets the stage for everything that comes after. Okay, next up, think about your morning routine. You probably wake up, maybe check your phone, brush your teeth, have the same kind of breakfast, and take the same route to work. Why don't we try a new route every day or a new breakfast? Because our brains love what is easy. This brings us to our second hidden force, the status quo bias. Our brain is lazy in a smart way. It wants to save energy. Making a new decision takes effort and has a risk. What if the new route has more traffic? What if that new cereal tastes bad? Staying with what you know, the status quo, feels safe. There are no surprises. This is why brand loyalty is so powerful. You buy the same brand of toothpaste not because you research it every time, but because you bought it last time and it was fine. The decision is already made. It's easy. Tech companies are masters at using this. Think about your phone's ringtone or your computer's background. Did you change it or are you still using the one it came with? Most people stick with the default setting. Companies know this. They make their preferred options the default because they know most of us won't bother to change them. It's the path of least resistance. So next time you stick with the default, remember, your brain is just trying to save some energy. Okay, for our last shortcut, imagine you're looking for a place to eat in a new city. You see 2 restaurants, one is totally empty, the other one has a line of people waiting outside. Which one do you think has better food? Almost everyone would pick the one with the line. We do this because of a powerful psychological tool called social proof. When we are uncertain, we look to others for clues about what to do. It's a survival instinct. If the crowd is running away from something, you should probably run too. In the modern world, social proof is everywhere online. Think about online shopping. What feels safer to buy? A product with 5 stars from 3 reviews or a product with 4.5 stars from over 10,000 reviews? Most of us will choose the one with thousands of reviews. All those people can't be wrong, right? Websites use this with tags like bestseller or most popular. When we see that tag, our brain thinks, oh, other people like this. It must be good. It saves us the time and effort of doing the research ourselves. We trust the wisdom of the crowd. So whether it's a line at a restaurant or reviews on a website, we are constantly using other people's actions as a guide for our own. So there you have it. The anchoring effect, that makes you think you're getting a deal. The status quo bias, that keeps you in your comfort zone. And social proof, that makes you follow the crowd. The next time you're about to buy something on sale or order your usual food or pick the bestseller, just take 1 second to pause. Ask yourself, why am I really choosing this? Is it because you truly want it? Or is the hidden boss in your brain quietly making the decision for you? Let me know in the comments which of these you notice the most in your own life. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed peeling back the layers of the mind, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.